Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Galaxy projector light that projects a green light as well as it looks like an ocean. This has Bluetooth connectivity so it can connect to music while you're watching the starry night. Alright, so right here is the Starry Night projector. This projector is great for nightlight. It has home parties, nightlight, relaxation, ambient light, starlight, and it's got game room. So this is great to put up at nighttime when you want to watch the starry nights. It says light for your moments. They were cast on the ceiling. It's an unforgettable night. It does have a built-in Bluetooth, so it's a nightlight, mood light, ocean wave projector, home theater accent, starlight. It does come with a remote control. This is offered in two different colors. It does have black and as well as white. So not only it's a light projector, but it's a Bluetooth speaker. So it's best for home party. So right here you have a user manual. This basically tells you everything about the projector itself, the buttons, as well as the remote control. So now this projector posts out 10 light modes. You've got blue, red, green, white, purple, lighter red, a darker green, another purple, a green, and a teal color. So the only way to obtain those different colors is you would need the remote control, which the remote control is already included. You get the charging cable. So it does only supply the cable. You do need the plug adapter to plug this into the wall. So here's the remote control, which no batteries are supplied. It does take two AAA batteries to run this. So you have your little button says R, G, B. So there's your red, green, blue. So these are two AAA batteries that go here in the back. So when we deepen more, you've got the projector itself. So this projector, it does project like waves of the ocean, which is this little round ball right here. This will project the ocean. The one in the front will project green dots. So it creates a wonderful atmosphere and is perfect for indoor decoration as an ocean wave projector for the mood light, night light. You can have this as a nightlight in your room. So if you move it this way, it'll make it darker. If you move it this way, it'll make it lighter. You have your 5-volt, your on-off button. You have your volume up, fast forward, pause, volume down, rewind. You got your Bluetooth connection. And this little thing right here connects to the remote control that is provided. So you can simply connect this to your phone via the Bluetooth. You can play your favorite music through the nightlight projector while watching the nebula galaxy at night, which creates a romantic, soothing atmosphere. On the bottom, it has little sturdy feet so it doesn't move around. Each side, you do have a set of speakers, so it's got one on each side. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to take the provided cable and plug it in. I do have a charging block already, so I'm going to plug it into the wall using my charging block. So it does have adjustable brightness and timer functions. It's a choice at night. The laser is under 1 MW and better to protect your eyes from being hurt while normal usage. The lamp projects a colorful starry sky. So now we're going to turn it on. So the ocean is the one in the middle. And then you have the green dot at the top. So that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to turn off all the lights so you can see. And then I'm going to connect it using my Bluetooth device. So now that we have the lights turned off, this is what it looks like when you're looking directly at the projector. You can see all the green lights. Looks like an ocean. So now I'm going to move my camera up to the ceiling so you can see what it looks like. So it looks like you are actually under the ocean. So when you want to use the remote control, you got to make sure the remote control is pointed to the infrared sensor. Then you can operate it via the remote control. Freely turn on and off the lamp, changing the light mode, cycle through the light effects. You can adjust the brightness, start, stop the motion, or adjust the volume. Your sound motion sensor allows a projector changing the color according to the music beat or clapping your hands, creating a disco party effect. So you cannot do this just using the turn on mode from the device itself. You actually need the remote control. So now we're going to connect it via my iPhone. So when you click on the Bluetooth button at the back, it should pop up on your device. It should be BTK10. That is the one that you wanted to connect. So once you connect that, you can listen to music onto the speakers. So let me go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to push the Bluetooth button right now. You just push it once and it should connect. So I'm putting it on my iPhone. And now it's connecting. So you can see it says BTK10. So now I'm going to go ahead and put something on to play so you can hear how loud these speakers are. They're not super loud, but they're loud enough to listen to music onto this, watching the stars. As you can hear, it is super loud, not totally loud like some normal speakers would, but they're sufficient enough to listen to some soothing music while you're watching the ocean waves and the stars. If you're looking for some kind of a projector like this one that gives you a starry night that has ocean waves and stars, I would definitely say check this one out. This one definitely is a must-have. The fact that they offer a Bluetooth feature to listen to music is also a plus. So I'd say go ahead and check this one out. I highly recommend this one.